I know you in track two, you heard about a pretty interesting retail use case, right? Why don't you tell us a little bit more about what you heard there?
Yeah, we heard from Buck from Red Wing Shoes. They are a major a major shoe retailer with 500 plus stores, and they were just looking to modernize their data stack and their data pipelines. They had a fragmented hybrid stack featuring some on-premise SQL Server databases, some older AS400 DB2 databases, as well as legacy POS systems that were all on premises. And they're in the middle of transitioning to cloud platforms like Salesforce and Microsoft Fabric, and a new cloud POS system, so that way they can be a little more agile. Currently, what they had was thousands of SSAS jobs and kill and fill loads that were just taking up a bunch of compute, having to be replicated over and over again and monitored and managed. They even said themselves they were moving millions of rows of data for just 4 rows of data that were actually changed. And that's not efficient. It's not practical. It's not the way to do it. And with the help of CData Sync, they were able to get this adjusted. They're able to load data directly into Microsoft Fabric every 15 minutes. And this completely lowered their compute. They're able to use CDC to change data capture to replicate only the changes that they need. And as Buck said, Sync picks up the schema changes natively, so they don't have to redeploy packages. And everything that they've moved to Sync, their compute has dropped for all of those processes. So they get quicker updates, live data, and better access to make critical decisions. So that's what I heard from Red Wing Shoes.